Hello, Olesia.
Hello.
Please tell us a few words where are you from and a few words about your satellite events to World Forum for Democracy.
Well, I represent Taras Shevchenko National University of Kiev. I'm the Deputy Dean of the Faculty of Law and was responsible for the satellite event for the World Forum of Democracy. Our satellite event was devoted to the topic of women in legal professions. We called it Female Face of the Jurisprudence. We invited very well-known Ukrainian leader women who have a legal background and achieved a lot in their legal professions. Among them, there was Justice of the Supreme Court Tatiana Ansupova, a Deputy National Natalia Gafonova, a managing partner of the Notabene law firm Yana Rubchuk, and a practicing attorney and well-known gender activist Olga Poedinok. So we discussed with these women topical issues of how to be women being a lawyer. What are the achievements and what are the drawbacks of being a woman?
So thank you very much. Please tell me why this topic is actual or topical for your country.
Actually, we have lots of law students who are female, but there are very few women in topical positions in legal professions. Now we have a very good trend because for the first time the head of the Supreme Court is a woman, but still the situation is not good in Ukraine because not a lot of women have placed topical positions in legal professions. That's why we tried to discuss what are the reasons for this, why the majority of law students are females, but there are too less women in topical positions.
So, could you please tell us about the participant of your events? Who was your target audience?
So we invited either students or practicing attorneys and human rights activists. So the participants of our events included law students, students from the Faculty of Sociology and Psychology, then journalists and representatives of NGOs and human rights organizations. And all of them were very active and discussed issues of women participation in legal professions. They put questions to the speakers of the event. How did they reach their goals? How did they manage to be either women, mothers and spouses or legal professionals?
And what was the key message of your event? One or two key messages maybe?
So the key message of the event is that it's not easy to be a woman being a lawyer, but it's a very good trend in Ukraine when women started being lawyers and successful lawyers as well.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for your questions.